going to a little town called Chemainus. It's a very unique town, should we say, right, Naz? It's got some unique buildings, is what we'll say. Actually, what's painted on the buildings is very unique.
Welcome to Chemainus. This has to be the most interesting subway we ever seen.
So as you can see on the buildings in Chemainus, you have all of these murals painted. Very, very interesting little town.
Yeah, really beautiful, and there is lots more to see.
So it's a painting of a road construction camp.
Seems like every single mural tells a little bit of the history of Canada.
So it's pretty much, you walk around the town and you look at the murals.
This one, for example, it's the history of Horseshoe Bay Hotel.
We noticed that there's tons of yellow footsteps, so I think this is actually the mural walk where you follow the footsteps and it takes you to all the murals in the town.
Very interesting. And this one actually has an arrow pointing there.
Yeah.
It's all over. Amazing.
Chemainus was founded in 1858 and initially served as a logging town. It was established by early settlers drawn to the region's abundant timber resources. The town's economy historically revolved around the timber industry. The first sawmill in Chemainus was established in 1862 by the Chemainus Sawmill Company, which became the backbone of the town's economy for many decades.
The name of this mural is Memories of a Chinese Boy, and it tells the story of when they moved to this town and they opened a store, and the store was used to help other people. They would come and send mail, receive mail, buy groceries, and you name it. And the mother used to hand out candies to the other children, and they started calling her grandmother, while the other customers called her mother Cheng. The name of the little boy is Ling Cheng. It's nice. Each mural tells a little bit of the history behind the people that first arrived in this town.
This is a massive one.
This is huge.
It is massive.
Just imagine the amount of work to paint all of this.
I don't know if it's fortunate or unfortunate that we choose a day where all the businesses are closed and there is nobody here. Maybe fortunate because we can just get to walk around without having to avoid lots of people. So we are just having a look at things. All the businesses, most of them are closed, but that's what we get.
It somehow reminds you of a Wild West town, but with colorful buildings instead. Really beautiful.
By the 1980s, the logging and milling industries in Chemainus faced a severe decline due to changes in global market and environmental regulations. In 1982, in response to the economic downturn, the town of Chemainus initiated the Chemainus Murals project to revitalize the community. Local businessman Carl Schutz led the effort to turn the town into an open-air art gallery. The mural project transferred Chemainus into a major tourist destination.
When the sun is fading and the years have all gone by, I will still be waiting to lead you through the night. So let's run away to faraway places, escape from this life we have known. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home. Let's run away to faraway places.
Came across this beautiful elderly couple sitting here. We just wonder what the history is. And there is a house right here, which I don't know if at some point if this belonged to them or maybe this one. I'm just making up stories in my mind. Really interesting. I wonder if this house is abandoned or maybe it's not, no?
some gingerbreads. There is a garden inside.
The town is now known internationally as the Little Town That Did, attracting thousands of visitors each year. Today, Chemainus boasts over 40 murals, each depicting various aspects of the town's history, from indigenous culture and early settler life to the industrial era and beyond. The success of the mural project has had a significant positive impact on the local economy, helping it to diversify beyond logging and paving the way for a thriving tourism industry, arts and craft sector, and numerous local businesses.
I think this is a coffee shop because if you look through the window, what you find? Coffees from Brazil. Isn't that cool? The name of this mural is The Hermit, and it tells the story of Charlie Abbott. Charlie Abbott arrived in Chemainus many years ago, and he moved into the woods, which he so loved. He loved nature. So when he was old and bent with age, he started creating flower beds and secluded corners and pathways through the forest. And he shared this place in the forest with the people until he died in 1989 when he was already 87 years old.
Nice painting of Billy Thomas.
It is, whoever he was. Wow, he should be proud. His picture looks so good.
This one's from 1983. Wow, they must
So
repaint the
they
murals.
repaint the murals. I thought they were brand new.
Wow.
Amazing. And each mural is numbered. This is number 10. You can find the numbers right here. This one here, you can see the number more clearly, but this one is already from 2021. So I think some of them are brand new.
Yeah, interesting. So you've got the modern fire engine on that side, and you've got the old fire engine on that side.
That's amazing.
This is a picture of the wall, and as you can see the poppies. There's a famous film called Flanders Fields about the poppies that grew up after the people died in the war. Very sad time. Well painted picture. So you can see the destruction there. There you can see the German triplane with the German cross being chased by could be a Sopwith camel.
Nilda is right down there.
Should we make a mural painting on Vanilda just to make her fit in?
Yes, and we can write, been to Chemainus.
So this tree was over 400 years old.
This one right here is fantastic. It's like a 3D mural because you have the mural telling the story of the watermill, and there is a watermill right here. This was the first Chemainus sawmill.
1862 was the first Chemainus sawmill.
Beautiful as well. Look at the work they did here.
Hold on for better days. Let a past begin to shed. Days like these, we can see the way to live out a new chapter. Tides come our way as we move closer to a madness. Times like these, they come and go so let
Chemainus was great. We really didn't expect to see so much in such a small town. We enjoyed it. We hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, give us your thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave comments down below. See you guys in the next one. Keep well, God bless, and bye-bye.